what's up everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and in this video we will unbox a model kit from Bandai which came from the anime Code Geass, Lelouch of the Rebellion. I'm not familiar, to be honest, with this Code Geass because I haven't watched any single episode of this kit, but I am very fascinated with their model kits. Their the nightmare, as what they describe the mecha suits there. So I had my first Code Geass model kit, which is the Albion, and I find it very nice. But this model kit here is much nicer than, for me, much nicer than the Albion. So this is none other than the Code Geass, or the Nightmare Gawain. So it's very nice. It looks badass. It's a sinister looking black nightmare or mecha model, and it looks like just the Anubis in my background here, the Jehudi, I mean. So it looks like the Egyptian mythology Anubis character or folklore, something like that. And be honest, it's really badass. I cannot describe how I feel with this kit. And so let's try looking on the contents of this box and let's see what's inside. So los gifts. So the box art here shows the Gawain wielding the shoulder laser cannons here, or the, I forgot the term, it's like the Herald cannon, I think, or Hardin cannon. Correct me if I'm wrong. Please comment it in the comment section below, because to be honest, as I said, I didn't watch any single episode of this anime. And there we can see it looks very sinister. It looks Sphinky, or the Anubis character. And is the Bandai high grade 135 scale from the anime Code Geass, Lelouch of the Rebellion, and it is released by Bandai in 2024. So this is the latest kit that I have on this year. And the side of the box, we can see the Gawain here launching its slash harkens. So the hands of this Gawain are made of slash harkens, the fingers I mean. And there we can see the action pose and the Hadron, yes, Hadron cannons. So now I know the term, it's the Hadron cannons. And there we can see the opening hatches in the shoulder, where we can see some gems there. And the land spinner as the usual thing that you can see in the Code Geass mecha. They had wheels behind their legs, and there we can see some poses like this Jesus Christ pose, and there it can kneel like this. The other side of the box, we can see the front view and the rear view of the kit. So there is this explanation here from the anime. So it's the anime clips, and there, a good thing there's English translation for each Japanese text here. So if we open the box, we can see this instruction manual. So this is high grade, so these are the folded type of manuals. There we can see some parts list here. So it's not that much. I thought it will comprise of so many parts, but I was surprised that it's not that much in quantity. So I think I can finish this within 3 hours if I'm the mood on building it fast. So it has action base stand included. So there is this Lelouch figure here, which is they look like Funko Pop, and there it is, black and white print out, and looks nice. It looks easy to build, and there we can see the back, same like what we saw in the side of the box, and the picture in the front of the manual is the same on the box art. So there it has an included action base, which is very nice, and I really like kits with action base, but I don't use it, to be honest. I just keep it in case I need it urgently. So this is the action base items here, and there we have gold colored plastic parts here for the armor details. We have here glossy maroon colored plastic for the back of the kit. So most parts here are gloss colored. So we have glossy orange here, glossy green, glossy maroon, and some glossy gold here. We have here clear gem stickers for the hadron cannons, and then the other pack we have glossy colored gold parts, and this is for the hand parts, the open and closed karate chop hands. And there we have maroon colored parts here, and green and orange glossy colored parts. And what fascinates me here are the black parts, which is very nice, and it is a glossy colored finish. And to be honest, I really like the effect of these black parts here. It is not your ordinary matted or ordinary black parts that we saw in other kits. This is glossy, which is very fantastic in the eyes. And there we have gray parts for the inner frame made out of ABS. And finally we have here another set of glossy black parts and gray parts for the inner frame. And there the wires used for the slash heart heads on the fingers. So I'll be using my bandage scissor in opening these plastics here, because as I remembered from the previous reviewers, you need to be careful when opening the plastic packs for this, because the armor pieces of this kit are very brittle, so I don't like to break it by accidentally breaking it during the plastic opening process. So thankfully I have this bandage scissor, which indicates that I am a registered nurse also. And there we have those parts opened, and let's go again to a quick runner review before we build the kit. So we have here runner C2 for the gold parts here. So I think this is for the ears of the kit, if I'm not mistaken. And there we have this parts here for the hands, the open hands and the closed karate chop hands. And what confused me is there are two sets of this ear here for the kit, and I think this is spare. Let's check before we finish it. We finish opening it. So it doesn't show if it is included or not included. Anyway, better that so it is used here in the shoulder. Okay, I thought it's the ears. So we have here maroon parts, glossy maroon parts here, and green here glossy green and glossy orange parts here for the A2 runners. So we got another A runner here, which is runner A1 with the backpack here, glossy maroon colored backpack. It's very nice. I really like the appearance of this kit due to the glossy color, which is not available in the Albion that I built 6 months ago. And there we go to the black colored runners. This is the runner B1, and these are all black, glossy black parts for the armor parts. And finally, we got here for the black parts the B2 runner, and for the gray parts, which is the inner frame, we have here runner D1 and runner D2 for the inner frame parts. So there we can see big ball joints for the hand, so I think I will have a hard time looking for a peg like this if I'm going to replace it with the Dalin hands, because I want to have an articulated hand for this kit. And there we have the Bandai stickers, gem stickers for the Hadron cannons. And let's go here on the wires, which are copper wires with coated black protection, which can be used in the slash harkens of the kit. And finally, we got here the action base stand, which is clear, and there are ball joints there. The polycaps ball joint, something like that. And what surprised me is the kit doesn't have any stickers or any decals, so this is very nice. The color separation of this kit is fantastic, and so I'm very excited to build this. So this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying goodbye, God bless, and take care, and let's build this kit once and for all. Happy building, guys. See you later. Dankeschön. Tschüss. Auf Wiedersehen.